Hey guys, welcome to the last lesson for this week. So we started this week with a new unit, and the first lesson you learned about the three major soil particles, which are sand, being the largest, silt, and then clay, which is the smallest. But before I talk about what we're going to do today, I want to update you guys. So you guys know I love plants, and this all relates to what we're doing today, okay? I'm going to give you an update on this plant. My avocado. And it's doing so good. It's getting so big that it even has these new leaves coming. Now, for my avocado to grow efficiently, it has to have, I don't want to spill it, good soil, okay? But not only does it have to have the proper soil, it has to have the proper nutrients. And there's three major nutrients that are required for plants. There's other ones, but the three we're going to talk about are nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. And we know that and see that as NPK. So if you hear farmers or somebody talk about the NPK levels, that's what they're talking about, is the nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, because those are the ones that are needed in the largest amounts. If you go to like Walmart and you're needing to get a fertilizer, you're going to see a number on there somewhere that is like, it's three numbers. It's like 30-15-20. And what that number is actually the NPK amounts in that fertilizer. So if you know that your plant requires a lot of phosphorus, you get one that the phosphorus level is higher. So that's what that means. So today we're going to be learning more about that. And so what you're going to do is you're going to click on this link here at the bottom, and it's going to load. Okay, so this link here, you're going to learn about nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. The first thing you're going to do is I actually want you to watch these two videos. So the phosphate mining, in your previous lesson, you learned about that with David's job, I believe is what his name was. So watch this video. It's going to kind of show how that works through a video, and then also watch potash. Okay, so potash is a type of, rewind, hold on, I lost my train of thought. Phosphate is phosphorus, and then it's going to tell you about how they mine phosphate and then also how they mine potash, which I believe is your potassium. I could be wrong. I probably am wrong. I don't remember off the top of my head without looking. So ignore that, team. Okay, so you're going to watch those two videos. And then after that, what you're going to do is you need to click on these three fact sheets. So open each of them, because then after that, you're going to click on the game, and you're going to play this nitrogen cycle challenger. And it could take a minute. I know the first time, I did it. It took a while to load. Okay, so you're going to play this game, and you get to choose which one you want to do. You can help Tom with the corn in his fields, or you can help Jamie with her tomato garden. Okay, so I'm going to help Jamie with her garden. All right, so you're going to click on the first label. So you're going to click here to begin. Now, this is where reading those fact sheets are going to come into play, because you're going to have to answer questions like this one, if it'll load. Okay, so before atmospheric nitrogen is usable by plants, it must go through a special process. What is this called? And so that's what you have to know how to do. Okay, so we can click on the thing. It's not that. It's called fixation. Okay, and then each of these you're going to get so many points, and then your score is going to total up over here. Okay, and so once you're done with the game, then you're going to go back to Schoology into, that's not what I wanted, the lesson 3 folder, and answer these nutrients for life questions. So that's it for today. If you have questions, if the game's not working or something, please just shoot me an email and I will help you. And next week, you guys are going to actually do a soils lab. So have fun.